Good morning, guys. We're just going to take a quick look at this Aqua Racer, and it's a quartz version for those people that aren't very active with their wrist. Keep charging up and winding. Remember to wind every day. So this is just like the well, it's nothing like really, but facially it looks just like the automatic Aqua Racers. So it is a rotating bezel on these, just the left hand omnidirectional bezel on these, and so as you know, regular subscribers, please subscribe if not, that I'm not authorized to register the serials or the warranty cards for Tag Heuer, so we do put in place a 2-year seller warranty that's equal to that or greater than, with a no quibble refund on these. And we have done the so for the authenticity tests, we did the crystal sapphire hardness test with the diamond tester in another video, and we're just going to check out the alignment for a quality control check before it goes out to any customers, and that's all good. I think it's clockwise on the date on these. No, it's anti-clockwise. Clockwise. I can't speak properly today. On the date on these, and we're just going to take a quick look inside to show it is the genuine movement, and I'll do a quick loom test as well. We're a bit short of time today. I've already loosened the back, and we will do a clean up and a pressure test afterwards. I'll just release that some more. To show there is the genuine movement. This phone really doesn't like focusing lately. What's wrong with it? Let's try and go in there a little bit more. So you've got 4 Joules Swiss R9 Ronda 6003.D, gold plated, and we just put new batteries in to ensure it's at least a good 2 years running on these. 4 years has been reported on these, and so we'll get that back together and get that out to a customer. We'll do a quick loom test as well to show the loom on these. So there we go. If we can get it dark enough, I doubt that, but we'll try. So we can get a little bit of darkness, and there's the loom on this one. Okay, thanks for watching. Please subscribe to see more models. We're going to try and get through the complete Tag Heuer range as much as we can. There are kind of 100 models plus, easily. Thanks for watching.